Hello kids, let's install Python. Just go to your browser. I'm sure you know how to go to your browser and just type download Python. Okay, it will get you to this link. Open that link and just click on that button, yellow button. Automatically it will know your device, whether it's on Windows, on which architecture, whether it's AMD or ARM, and automatically it will download for you the specific file you need, and then click on open. So I've already installed on my machine, but I can repeat the same process just to show you. Okay, I'll just say repair, okay, for now, and then it will be the same thing. So for you, you'll click on install. Yes, it will take some time, but I don't think it takes more than 2 minutes to be done. Okay, awesome. You'll see that installation was successful. For me it's repair, but for you it will be installation. Okay, and then just close. Once you close, you can go to search, click on start, and then search for idle, IDLE. Okay, and you'll get it here. Another thing, if you want, you can pin that idle on your, you can pin it on your taskbar, you can put it on as a shortcut on your desktop, wherever you like. Okay, so let's do a simple print hello world. Okay, that's but we'll go into the details of this. So this is just an example, but don't worry, wait for the main class. Okay.